AutonetTV is a visual that helps our customers, and it helps you to sell those needs and services that customers are needing nowadays.
So Mighty has developed content for AutonetTV that specifically contains graphical information, videos that help a customer to be more educated, more aware of how to take care of their vehicle.
The three key benefits of AutonetTV are informing the customer, entertaining the customer, and distracting the customer. They can watch the programming, be entertained, be informed while we're working on their vehicle and getting it ready to go. But I think really the main benefits are the information that our customers receive.
We'll come in and talk about the service. It already talked about it on AutonetTV, so they're already prepared for it. So it helps us with the recommendations.
The messages on AutonetTV are corroborated by what our sales associates say. And so when our sales associates are meeting with the customer, they've just watched about the intervals for changing, say, a cabin air filter, and it makes that sell a lot easier.
I think the AutonetTV program benefits are substantial. I think it really helps us increase our sales. It keeps our customers informed and educated, and it gives them an unbiased third-party opinion. When AutonetTV says it, certainly it gives us a ton of credibility.